After months of questions, we are finally getting some answers in the double murder case out of Orange County. Good evening, I'm Chad Silber.
And I'm Sydney Moore. Prosecutors called the deaths of 14-year-old Lyrics Wood and 18-year-old Devin Clark an execution. The suspect, Isaiah Ross, accused of killing them both.
He appeared in court today, and we learned a lot about what happened that night in September. Shell casings, blood spatter, and a shocking autopsy report.
We'll share those details tonight and hear from the mother of one of the victims. Let's start with WFMY News 2's Amber Lake, who was in the courtroom this afternoon.
Isaiah Ross was denied bond today, and just like a hearing back in November, the courtroom was filled with family members and friends of 18-year-old Devin Clark and 14-year-old Lyric Woods. They sat and listened as prosecutors and the defense laid out their arguments in Ross's bond hearing. Now, I want to warn you, what you're about to hear may be tough to listen to.
They were executed.
An intense bond hearing.
It does not in any way say that Mr. Ross actually did anything to these people.
The Orange County Assistant District Attorney and the defense went back and forth Tuesday over whether 18-year-old Isaiah Ross should get out on bond.
We believe a bond is appropriate. We believe that a bond and conditions or set of conditions would be appropriate.
I do believe that Mr. Ross poses a danger to the community. I do believe he is a flight risk. And I do believe the strength of this evidence supports the court keeping Mr. Ross under no bond.
Ross is charged with killing 18-year-old Devin Clark and 14-year-old Lyric Woods back in September. The state says investigators found 13 shell casings at the crime scene, as well as blood on the ground and blood in the car. They say the gun belonged to Devin Clark's father. The state believes Devin took it without his dad's permission. A witness claimed the gun went off after a struggle. An autopsy report reveals a more gruesome scene. Lyric Woods was shot 4 times, twice in the back, once in the arm, and once in the neck. Devin Clark was shot 5 times, 3 in the back, once in the foot, and once in the back of the head.
This was not some struggle over a gun and the gun went off. This was much more serious than that.
Ross's attorney claims the evidence doesn't prove Ross is guilty.
The evidence, even in the light most favorable to the state, in no way says that Mr. Isaiah Ross committed these acts.
The judge ended up denying the bond. The next court date is June 27th right here in Orange County. Reporting in Orange County, Amber Lake, WFMY News 2.